I bought some cheesecloth, and I'm going to make some beautiful textures on my watercolor page. I've got the 3 primaries out. I've got these 3 Holbein colors: permanent yellow lemon, peacock blue, and quinacridone magenta, and they're all on my palette ready to paint. I'm going to separate this out. I'm going to get my spray bottle and wet it. I never care about the other colours, but yellow, being the lightest of all the colours, is so easily affected by the other colours. So I try and generally keep my yellow clean. Now I'm just waiting for this big drip to, that's better. And now I'm going to go and tip it the other way, which is forcing this big drip to come back in. And that's quite nice. I like that there's an intensity of colour there. In fact, I will just intensify even more with the darker blue. I might intensify down here too. And then I might add some of the darker yellow. So the thicker, more viscous your paint is in watercolor, the darker the color. Darker. I quite like the idea that I mix some greens down here, and I'll bring a little bit of the yellow, just tickle it through the blue. Now that I'm tickling away, can't resist doing a little more. It's just, when you're enjoying yourself, it's so easy to continue doing it. And sometimes that's just awesome and you get some beautiful result, and sometimes that is a big mistake and you've gone too far, and you never know till the end. That's the joy of painting. There's no absolutes, no exacting anything. Right, what I'm going to do is leave it to dry, and I'm going to leave it to dry on a big angle. So I keep handy this plastic container. It's about 10 centimeters tall. I'm going to put it under, like on my table. I'm going to put the board on it, and that way any excess moisture, any excess colour is going to travel downwards and collect near the base. And I'm going to let it air dry just like that.